Oh God, Hanuman. I got job as an assistant professor in this college. In 1 month, make me professor. And in 2 months, make me HOD. And finally make me dean to this college. Yo baby, I'm taking my first class as a lecturer. I'm gonna rock the class. I'm gonna shake the class. I will show them what lecturer is. I'm gonna rock the class. I'm gonna shake the class. I'm gonna rock the class. I'm gonna shake the class. The door is closed. Oh, nature is welcoming me. What? Class empty?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, yes. Come in, come in. What? Balcony ticket? These are not reserved. Come sit, I say.
No.
What? Your class has no time sense. Where are other people?
On the way, sir. They are on the way. They will come.
Okay, whatever. Today is my first class. I am gonna start my class. Whatever. एक बंदे है या दो बंदे हैं, शुरू करते हैं. My name is Dastagiri. I am going to teach you concrete technology. Concrete technology. Very important in civil engineering.
सर क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? है?
Oh, हिंदी अच्छा.
लेट क्यों आया? जब मैं एंट्री मारता हूँ तभी से क्लास शुरू होता है. जब तक मैं अंदर आने को ना कहूँगा बाहर खड़े हो जाओ. ये क्लासरूम है, तुम्हारा बेडरूम नहीं.
हम भी अमिताभ बच्चन का फैन है. हमको भी हिंदी आती है. चलो.
शुक्रिया. है?
May I come in, sir?
वही है लेट लेट वही है.
Sir, surrounding number of colleges are 16. In the total number of students are 22,186 and students coming by bus are 16,348 and students coming by bike are 3,418 and students coming by car are 2,348 and proud to say that remaining is me, sir.
Why are you saying this to me? What I asked you, what you said?
अभी आपकी भी बस छुट्टी है क्या? और दूसरे बस के लिए इंतजार करना तो वो आई नहीं. फिर जब लिफ्ट मांगे तो लिफ्ट देने वाली की गाड़ी का पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया.
Last, what happened?
What happened? Came by foot.
My guy, sir.
What? What have you asked? Once again, ask. What is that? Once again, ask.
My guy, sir.
Oh, you checked the whole building. What, Amma? You have sense, common sense. Ask again. Do you know what you did? You changed the meaning of may I come into may kaisa. What, What that track pant? Back up and come direct. Dirty fellow. You can sleep in the room now. Why are coming to class? Why are coming?
Excuse me, sir.
Why 10 minutes late? Why 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes later. Class 50 minutes. Remaining 40 minutes. I can't stay in this class. Sorry, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Hey, where? Where is he going? Where is he going? What different characters in your class?
May I come in, sir?
Why late? Why are you feeling shy? I am asking you a question. Why are you again feeling shy? Okay, go. What? Playing kabaddi na? Oh, coco na? What is this fighting? Go and sit in the class. Go, dirty fellows. Playing kabaddi, coco, I go, you go. What different characters?
May I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir?
May
What are you seeing there? Is a Sunny Leon dancing to baby doll? Step. Come.
यो बेबी मूवी को चलते या पार्क को चलते? क्लास को जाने के लिए इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मूवी को चलते या पार्क? एक नया लेक्चर आया है, क्लास को जाने के लिए इंटरेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं है। जल्दी बोलो ना, जल्दी बोलो, क्लास को जाने के लिए मूवी या पार्क?
So, madam, give him clarity. Here he is waiting for my class. Get the call. Come into the class, Ra. She is not interested in you.
1, 2, 3, let's rock.
Sir, may I come in?
Why late? Why you come late?
Sir, no how to.
What I am asking you, what you are saying? I am asking you why you come late.
Not talking, sir. No, but no. It's all.
May I come in, sir? Why are you coming late? क्या हुआ? What is that going? What different characters in your class? What is this class?
May I come in?
Why are you coming late? Why?
We have been struggling for freedom since 1857. We got it in 1947. Isn't that late?
Madam, Jansi. Go, ma'am.
May I come in, sir?
Where you are standing and what you are asking? Do you know the meaning of may I come in? Come sit in my lap and ask may I come in. What, Ray? From where will you come? You don't study engineering. Go to village and do work. Go.
Sir, may I come in, sir? Sir,
What, Ra?
good morning.
Touched my heart, Ra. Thanks, Ra.
May I come in, sir?
Even if HOD come, I will not stop my class. Even if HOD, I will see. You will stop my class. I will complete my class. Concrete technology. First class. Heading also not completed.